Every time I open my camera, I'm literally always vain. I am looking like $1 million box tonight. Like, this man is doing matching with me. Some periwinkles and pomo and shaki to push all those mede down. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Faith, and this is my YouTube channel Shefira. This video is going to be a get ready with me video. I do not think I have done any get ready with me video very recently, so this is going to be one of my first. I just want to show you guys the very little bits and pieces and what it looks like me getting ready. So I'll be getting ready for a dinner later today, and this video is also me trying out a no foundation look for the very first time. I've been seeing all of my makeup girlies like on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube doing the no foundation look. And knowing me now, like, I am very minimalist when it comes to foundation. I'm really not the type to use like very much foundation when it comes to like making my look. So I felt like since I'm not a foundation babe anyway, I might as well just try this no foundation makeup look. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup with concealers and all of the bits, but no foundation. And don't worry guys, I'm not boring you with all of the bits of my makeup session. It's only just going to be the skin look where I'm applying my concealer and no foundation. So that's going to be like the major bits I'll be showing you guys for this look. So yes guys, let's get right into this video. And just in case you're hearing like noise, pardon me guys, there's a construction going right outside of this room, so I feel like that is kind of like swallowing my voice, and I'm actually kind of almost screaming at this point, but that's because I'm only trying to make sure that you guys can hear me correctly. And if this is your first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. And if this is not your first time, thank you for always coming back to support me and to watch my videos. And I've got all of my stuff here. There's a tiny little space here, and this is going to be like my tiny little workstation. Today I'm not going to show you guys, sorry, because I have a shitload of outfits I am going to try later on. So this place is just a bit, not a bit, it's very much messy at this point, so I'm not going to show you guys my workstation. But just in case you see me turning around to pick up an item, just know it's because I've got my tiny little workstation here. Yeah.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only.
So I've literally finished with all of the boring bits, and now to the main focus of this video. So I'm going in with the ELF Camo Concealer, ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade medium beige and shade medium warm. And this is actually my first time using these concealers. I've actually just got them. I did read some reviews and I saw good reviews, but then after buying these concealers, I went back on, I can't even remember the platform I went back on, and then I started seeing bad reviews, like totally bad reviews about these concealers, like they crease and blah blah blah, they don't blend well. So this is also going to be like a review section for them. Let's see if it blends perfectly into my skin. So again, there is no foundation going into my skin. I'll just be using these I'll be using this blush from Shein in shade what? In shade, I don't know. I'll find out and put on the screen. And then I'm going in with Chestnut for my contour. And this is just my favorite mirror. I feel like this mirror actually features in all of my makeup videos at this point. Like, it's always my go-to mirror whenever. It's actually an eyeshadow palette, but it's got a mirror on it, which literally features on all of my makeup videos. Actually, I have a different mirror, so maybe I should try using that just for today. I'll go get it. Yeah, I've got a different mirror, so let's get into business. And my skin is all prepped and what, so I'll be using this brighter which is the medium warm concealer in the inner corners of my eyes, and I'll be using this darker one which is the medium beige just outside the outer corners of my eyes, just to give it that pop-up or brightening effect.
Personal partners still talking cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know all the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of struggling, I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe.
So guys, this is what my face looks like. So I've got concealers in the light or bright sides of my face, and I've got contour and liquid blush just in the darker sides of my face, or the sides that I want to be contoured. And I'm just going to blend this in now just to see what this looks like, if it's going to give the same flawless finish as a face with little or minimal foundation, or if it's just going to be, I don't know. Let's see, let's blend and see.
I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to buy and live. 100 mil, I'm counting bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go out, finish this, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we get a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case to get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, I taught me that way back. Took it off, I was always talking, stay home when you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot.
So guys, I've just gone in to blend all of the products, the concealers, the contour and the liquid blush, and this is what my face looks like. I have to say that the ELF concealer actually blended in perfectly, like it's giving flawless. The concealer does have very good coverage. This is an up close view of what the finished blend looks like. I'm going to go on now to finish my makeup. Of course, we're going to see what this makeup looks like when we are finished, but yeah, no foundation, just concealer. So guys, I have long finished my makeup. I am very certain you're not even going to argue with me if I say I am looking like $1 million box tonight. Like, I can't even believe this is me. I mean, I can believe, I know I'm pretty, duh, but the glow tonight, it's giving Jesus glow, it's giving child of God glow, it's giving daughter of Zion glow, it's giving. I've had this makeup on for 3 hours now. I was going to show you guys immediately I finished my makeup, but in the last 3 hours, guys, if I tell you guys what I've been up to or what has happened to me in the last 3 hours, you're going to show me some form of empathy. But yeah, that is it. I just wanted to show you guys this is my no foundation makeup look, and I swear it is giving. I'm fully dressed now for my outing. I'm wearing this black dress, but guys, I do not currently know what I want to do with my hair. I am thinking of wearing this wig, but then I would have to style it. As you can see, it's actually not styled yet, and I don't know if I'm really in the mood to style any wig right now. But if I do change this wig, if I do decide not to wear this wig, I'm going to definitely keep you guys updated. But actually, this wig, I will not lie, this hair actually goes well with my dress, goes perfectly with my dress. But again, I don't know if I'm going to be wearing this. But if I eventually change it, I might just brush it like that and not even style it, like I not even lay the edges. I might just brush it like that and go on about my day. Otherwise, if I'm not feeling like it, I'm going to show you guys whatever I end up wearing. But yeah, that's it for my outfit. And I've gone on ahead to wear some jewelries. I'm trying not to do too much tonight. I'm trying not to be so extra tonight. I've got just this ring I got from Shein. This as well, I think, my jewelry from the love of my life. I've got just a single ring on this figure as well. My nails are giving. I'm showing off my tattoo, guys. And I've got no earrings on. We know they do like that for you. I know they wear earring. Yeah, no earrings. But that's all, guys. That's it. I'll see you guys when I get to my venue.
I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours.
Where golden sun, it's golden me. I'm being vain. I'm always vain. Every time I open my camera, I'm literally always vain. But it's golden sun, and I finally changed my hair, guys. I decided I was not ready to go through the stress of styling that wig, so I had to change my hair. And this doesn't look bad at all. This is now 2 hours since that time. We're going to swim. As I was saying, the wind is out again, and I've forgotten that every time I wear this weed, whether now is it weed? I've forgotten that every time I wear this wig, it's almost like the wind decides to come out that day, and then I literally have to fight for my life with this wig and my lip gloss. What was I saying? I don't even know what I was saying. I was saying something. Yeah, I was saying that it's 2 hours since the last time I talked to you guys, and that's like 5 hours since I last did my makeup. And see how effortlessly gorgeous my makeup still looks. It's still banging. I feel like I'm literally even just seeing the beauty of the makeup as soon as I stepped outside, and this sun is reflecting on the makeup. With this, I swear I need to stop swearing. But with this, I'm totally sold out on the no foundation look. Like, I can't imagine that doing my makeup without foundation can make it come out this flawless. I really did not know it can be this good. But yeah, I'm currently on my way out, and I'll see you when I get to where I'm heading to. This man is doing matching with me. I wore black and white, and he's wearing black and white. I hate copycats. I think I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you.
So guys, this went from a random dinner date to a celebratory dinner for me real quick, and while I can't pinpoint the exact reason why that was, I have some few thoughts to drop. Stay with me. It's okay not to wait to achieve the big things of your list before having to celebrate yourself. I mean, Life doesn't even give us heads up when it wants to throw things our way. So why wait for very special moments before we celebrate our lives? For me, this year and in the seasons ahead, I am choosing to celebrate the heck out of me at every given opportunity. So yes to endless self-love, self-appreciation, and never needing an achievement heart to feel like the superstar that I am.
Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose?
Guys, it's actually so cold outside, and thank God that I carried this jacket. This jacket I've seen shaky. I'm sure it's my money I used to buy it. If I don't wear it, who will wear it? But the jacket, in its next life, it will see my name and it will be running. Sha, we're going to African store to go and look for swallow teeth. My partner said after all the desert he has just eaten, he said that he needs some periwinkles and pomo and shaki to push all those mede down. So we are going to the African shop, which is like 10 minutes away from where we are currently, and we're going to look for, he wants our soup, me I want starch and black soup. So that's what we're going to look for to eat. I'm sure feeling full, oh, but if I see starch and black soup, I will eat. So let's go and look for it.
What do you want?
Black soup.
You don't have black.
Literally, my child is the one of the show. What up any flow, what you go up any show. Akakata Ranger, I will get people. Anytime you pull up the polo, treasure, you need to go to my phone. Treasure, when I use it as a weapon.
So, just got back from the African shop at the restaurant, and that's the noisiest place, or that was the noisiest place I've been in the past 6 months, if not even a year. That place was noisy. We had association of Edo men and women partying, and obviously they looked like they were having a good time. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the starch and black soup that I wanted. Not even starch and black soup. They basically didn't even have anything. They had just egusi soup, ogbono, and vegetable. I ended up not buying anything. I think I just bought suya, and that's all. And this is where I will be ending this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like this vlog has actually, or this video has actually been a very long one, but I really do hope that you've enjoyed watching this. And if you've enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and all the many other things that I normally say. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, be good. Bye guys.